What is up, my hungry gringos? How are you doing today? So have you ever been in a cookout eating a hot dog slathered with ketchup and mustard and thought, you know what would be a much better vessel for these condiments? A cake. Well, then I've got the recipe for you. Welcome to Culinary Crash Test Dummy, where I take awful viral recipes from around the internet and put myself in harm's way to answer the question, is this an affront to humanity or a recipe that's actually pretty good and just a little misunderstood? Today I'm going to be doing a ketchup and mustard cake review. I am terrified to do this one because it sounds absolutely awful, but I'm doing it for you folks. If you like funny videos about cooking and food, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's do it. This video went viral when Kaylin from Kaylin Reacts did a reaction video to this recipe being made. And while Kaylin recoils in disgust, he doesn't actually try the recipe, so I need to know, how does this taste? Really not looking forward to this one, you guys.
It turns out this would be worse than Michael could have ever imagined.
So first we're gonna start off with our flour, as many cakes do, and then add some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some ginger. Like someone asked, hey, how can we make pumpkin spice even whiter? Oh, I know, let's put it in a ketchup and mustard cake. We're just gonna mix it together. All right, so pretty normal so far. So we're gonna take some butter, mix it with brown sugar, and then cream it. All these recipes start off with butter, super duper normal, right? Lulls you into a false sense of security, like in my Cheetos video. It's kind of coming together. I let the butter soften overnight, but I think it might be cold here in Bogota for it to cream properly, so not really off to a good start, but that's fine.
But in reality, it wasn't going to be fine.
So we got our ketchup. Oh, God. And then we've got our food coloring. All right, mix it up a little more. Oh man, this is turning like really red. It's like a murder scene here. Can you see it? Yeah, it's like a murder scene. So next we're gonna add our eggs. Let me tell you guys, this smells horrible. It smells like the dish pit in a 1950s diner is what it smells like here. Okay, the flour is kind of mellowing out the smell, which is nice. I think that's it. I think we got our batter here. We're just gonna put it in there. Oh, that smell. Oof, that's not good. All right, so we're gonna pop this guy in the oven. All right, so our cake is done. It actually smells pretty good in here, kind of like fall. I think it's due to all the spices. To be honest, I'm gonna confess to you, don't bake a lot of cakes. You know why? Because I don't like cakes. Am I the only one who doesn't like cakes? Am I weird? Let me know in the comment section below if you are my cake-hating brother or sister in arms. Put this guy here. Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh boy, that's probably not supposed to happen. Cool, we're gonna put this over here to cool. Oh no. I ruined the cake, guys. So I told you I don't bake a lot. I completely ruined the cake. So since I ruined the cake, I think I might have to make another one. All right, everyone, and we are back. I baked another cake. You can see it right here. Fell apart a little bit, but first we're gonna cream our butter. And then what are we gonna do? We're pouring in a bunch of mustard, guys. Oh, and it's like this weird Colombian mustard that's a strange shade of green. It smells very mustardy. Yeah, I feel like I'm in a depressing mustard factory, and one that the FDA is about to shut down. It's looking a little lumpy. I think that's due to the brand of mustard that I got. Well, there you have it, folks, your mustard dressing. Just terrific. Just gonna frost this cake. That does not look okay. Just got this weird sort of grain to it that this is coming out so bad. Yeah, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look right at all. What an abomination this is. All right, I guess we're gonna try it in a sec. This is not, oh man. All right, so now it's time to test out this horrific abomination and affront to humanity. Man, to help me with testing, I'm gonna bring out my lovely wife. So, first impressions here.
It's a disaster. I was questioning if this was an actual recipe or...
So how does it look to you?
Disgusting.
Disgusting, yeah. Okay, let's dig into this guy.
The cake itself looks moist and like cake.
That's a huge compliment. It looks like cake. It doesn't look like a Ford Focus. It looks like a cake.
This just doesn't look like it has even the consistency of frosting.
No, not at all. Together,
it looks extremely unappetizing.
Okay, let's dig in.
I'm really doing this for love.
Take a bite. You go ahead.
Because I also am not a big mustard person.
The cake itself isn't that bad. You can't really taste. You okay?
Gross.
What?
It's gross.
Yeah, you can't even handle it? Are you spitting it out?
I had to spit it out.
Yeah, this thing is not good, you guys.
The cake itself would have been fine.
The cake's fine.
The frosting is...
So I think the skepticism about this cake on the internet is definitely founded.
100%.
You know, definitely found it. The cake itself, it's like, it's fine, but it's like, why not just make a regular cake?
Yeah.
Then? Like, why add ketchup? Like, I didn't taste any of the ketchup in
No,
there.
no.
On a scale of 1 to 10, compared to other horrible recipes.
-5.
-5. Compared to other culinary abominations, I'm gonna give it a 2. Because I didn't throw up.
I almost
like
threw
I
up.
actually could eat it.
I almost threw up.
Yeah, I saw you gag. I saw.
So that averages out to
Alexa, what's the average of -5 and 2? -1.5. According to Alexa.
So that's what we're giving
So it's
it,
-1.5 crash test dummies. And the kitchen is a disaster. I had to bake this abomination twice. This was a horrible experience. It's probably one of the worst cooking video experiences that I had. This cake is perfect if you're going to a family party and you hate your family.
yeah, they might hate you after this.
She was terrified this whole week of this recipe. She dreaded it. Did it live up to your expectations of horribleness?
Yes, it surpassed them.
It surpassed them. Wow. Very
Yeah.
impressive. So ketchup and mustard cake, don't make it. Well, there you have it, my friends. The recipe was a complete disaster, and it ended up tasting horrible even after I baked 2 separate cakes. So what are some other weird recipes you'd like me to try out? Leave a comment below. I am currently terrified after this experience with the ketchup and mustard cake. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. People need to know about ketchup and mustard cake. It is a matter of national importance, my friends. If you want to support the show directly, head to patreon.com/thehungrygringo and be like Quills, who is currently supporting the show right now. Well, until next time, my friends, this is The Hungry Gringo, signing off.